Hey, what's up, everybody? It's John from Home Buyer Louisiana. I'm in a house here in LaPlace, Louisiana. It's got no water, no electricity. The sellers are just kind of ready to move on, and they reached out to us. It's just time to sell it. They're not using it. It's been vacant since a little after Hurricane Ida. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. It's gonna need a clean. It's gonna need a little bit of probably renovation work, some of the stuff in the bathrooms. But in general, it's got good bones. I think we'll be able to fix it up and restore it to its former glory, and hopefully be able to, make some more housing for some families here in the area. So if you got a house like this that you don't want, or that you have extra, maybe you inherited it, maybe it's just not recovered from one of the storms or something, check us out, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the free form for a free cash offer. Talk to you soon. Thanks.